Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use division to find an equivalent fraction. To begin, remember that equivalent fractions are different ways to write the same amount, like 1/2 and 2/4. Division is a powerful tool for simplifying fractions, making them easier to understand and work with. This method helps us reduce fractions to their simplest form, which is often preferred in mathematics. Let's dive into the steps. Before we divide, we need to find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of the numerator and the denominator. The GCF is the largest number that can divide both parts of your fraction without leaving a remainder. For instance, if you have the fraction 12/18, the GCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Identifying this number correctly is essential for simplifying your fraction effectively and accurately. Once you have identified the GCF, the next step is straightforward. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by that GCF. This action transforms your original fraction into an equivalent one, but in a simpler form. For our example of 12/18, dividing both 12 and 18 by 6 gives us 2/3. This new fraction, 2/3, is equivalent to 12/18 and is now in its simplest form. After dividing, it is always a good practice to check your work. Make sure your new equivalent fraction cannot be simplified any further. This means that the numerator and the denominator should not share any common factors other than the number 1. If they do not, then you have successfully found the simplest equivalent fraction. This final check ensures accuracy and completeness in your mathematical process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.